Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on your own YouTube channel, Finance Reviews. So in this video we will explain the totally how you can invest in cryptocurrencies, and I will explain the two stable coins that you can use to invest, and you can deposit your funds in any crypto exchanges, and you can use that fund for trade, and these funds are remain stable even if you hold by so much time. So if you are new to our channel, make sure to stick with this video till the end, and also make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell notification so you will stay updated with all new upcoming videos. So let's jump into the video. Okay guys, welcome back to another video tutorial, and in this video tutorial we will explain our rest coin. That in our first video we will explain the two best coin in our list, which is Bitcoin and the Ethereum, and we will explain all the detail, its market cap and other details to you, and current price and everything that is related to these two best coins. So in this video we will explain the another some coins to you, and we will explain all the details, which is from of USDT, and the other best coin is USDC. These two are most stable coin that is commonly used to deposit fund, which is almost remain stable, and there is small changes like in cents in point. There is very few changes like 0.1 or 0.01, and there is small changes are available in this type of coins. This type of tokens that is used by many sellers for only holding their currencies, and that they use for trading to other cryptocurrencies. So let me explain the first one in our list, which is called USDT. This is the most famous coins and also one of the top best coins in the cryptocurrency. Let's check out its detail. So this is called Tether. It is also the most common name is that is used for this coin is USDT. That is most famous coin in the Bitcoin history, and popularity wise it is on number 3, and the it is on number 3, and the market cap of this coin is $72.37 billion, and the last volume of last 24 hours is 57.50 billion, which is a quite high. This overall circulation supply of this coin is 72.42 billion, and which is very good. All-time high of this coin is 1.21549 and which is a quite high, but most commonly this coin remain stable. As you can check out this graph, let me show you. This is the last 28 days graph of this coin. It is remains stable and like a parallel line, as you can check out on your screen. It is straight line, and like only in point cents are changes. Like current price of this coin is 0.009993004, which is almost equal to $1. So this coin is most commonly used to hold the currency. Tether USDT, it is stable coin patched in the US dollars. With the first stable coin to exist. USDT was initially launched as real coin in 2014 by entrepreneur Ravi Collins. Okay, this is mostly used like if you are a trader and you want to deposit your money in your wallet, and you can use that for trade. So the first option that most of the users can use, that they will deposit their money in this coin, it is which is called USDT. Because if you buy any other coin like BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum, so there is a chances of dipping, and there is a chances of your coin or your value of money going down or up. But if you spend your money on stable coin, so there is no chance of loss, because it is it always remains stable, and your money will almost same, even if you are not using them for trading for for long time. So next coin in our list is, let me click on back. Okay, so the next coin in our list is USDC, which is also called a stable coin, the it is almost same as USDT, but less famous than that, because of this market cap, and the portion of people are using these type of coins. Let's check out its detail. So popularity wise, this coin is on number 4, uh, and also the market cap of this coin is $53.79, which is less than USDT, but it is also a huge amount of market cap. The next volume of 24-hour is $5 billion, which is a good, but as compared to USDT, this is not a quite more volume in last 20 of hour, because it is 10 times less than USDT. So full-time high is very high, like it will go to 130% of its original value, and this is the current price change of 1 hour 0.01, and the price change of 24 per hour is also same. This is also a good coin, which is also called which is also used to hold their funds, like if you want to trade in future, and or if you want to know, if you not want to deposit your if you not want to trade in Bitcoin and other alternative coin for long time, so you can hold your money in a stable coin. As you can check out, this is the last 28 days line of this coin, and it is almost parallel, and the current price of this coin is 1.000241, which is almost same as $1. So this is all about the video of tutorial of these two stablecoin that you can use to purchase things, or you can use that coins to trade in your other coins. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, make sure to press the like button, and if you have any question or suggestion, make sure to comment below. Thanks for watching.